So this is how you can fix Instagram Reels being unavailable. Now, there are three ways on how to fix this problem. Let's open up Instagram and I'm going to show you what I mean by Reels not showing up or being unavailable. So when you tap on this Reels button at the bottom, you might not be seeing anything because that happens to a lot of people. It's basically lagging. As you can see, it works for me, but basically, some people don't get the reels. So, how do we fix that? Well, the first tip that I have for you is checking if your Wi Fi connection is up to date. If you're actually connected to Wi Fi or if your data is actually still valid. If it isn't, and if you're not connected, then obviously the reels won't appear because it requires a Wi Fi connection. Now that we got that obvious tip out of the way, let's start with the second one. This second one might happen to a lot of people because normally not many people have that much storage on their phones. So, the main reason as to why your reels aren't showing up might be because your storage is full. Now, when your storage is full, then obviously it won't be able to take in any new data, which is what Reels are. Reels are basically new data that keeps coming into your phone from other devices, like from other uploads. So if you don't have any storage on your phone, then obviously your Instagram is gonna start glitching out, and I think this also applies to TikTok and other short form videos. And lastly, the third one, which is the most effective tip is basically deleting your Instagram and then reinstalling it. This will get rid of any kind of bugs that may be causing this problem, or it might even update your Instagram because sometimes the updates don't actually show up on the App Store or the Google Play Store. So you're going to want to have the deleting option as your best bet into updating your phone, your app, and basically just get rid of the bugs. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So if the other two methods didn't try, you could always try deleting your Instagram and then reinstalling. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.